whatever, dude. Welcome back, everybody. So today we got a Slash, and we're gonna be testing out the aluminum shock caps and see if they pop out or not. So the first day I got this truck, both of the rear caps popped out. So this is the original plastic ones. So we got blue ones, and they're all aluminum. So instead of getting brand new shocks, we went with the caps. They're pretty cheap. I think they're like 14 bucks for all of them. So we're just gonna go back on the track, hit some jumps, and see how well they hold up. Whatever, dude. Well guys, the shock caps are pretty good, but we just busted that out. Yep, because we're gonna have to go get some new ones. All right, so we got the front drive shaft fixed. So let's keep on jumping. I don't think that wheel is supposed to be like that. Oh! Alright, so I guess we broke something else now. Alright guys, sorry for the short video. Subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.